Dear students, a very good morning. This is me, Raji Devendran, your maths teacher. Okay, do you like the subject? Maths? Okay, I hope all of you like the subject. Okay, today I am going to discuss maths. In this last class, we discussed division by one digit number. Today I am going to discuss division by two digit number. Okay, what do you mean by division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. First question, division by a two-digit number. In the last class, we discussed division by a one-digit number. Okay, today we discuss two-digit number. First question, 1644 1644 divided by 12. Okay, the normal division 12 is a digit number, two-digit number. Okay, then the normal division, find 1644 divided by 12. Okay, how many times 12 in 1? No time. Okay, then 16, 1 6. Use 1 6. Then how many times 12 in 16? Please tell me the multiplication table. 1 into 12, 12. Okay, find the difference. 16 minus 12. Yes, 4. Then 0. Then how many times 12 in 4? No time. Okay, then 44. How many times 12 in 44? Yes. 12 into 1, 12. Then 12 into 2, 24. Then 12 into, please tell me, 3. Okay, 12 into 3, 36. Find the difference. 44 minus 36. Tell me. Yes, 8. Okay. How many times 12 in 8? No time. Okay. Then use 4. 84. How many times 12 in 84? You know the 12 multiplication table? Okay. Fine. 12 into 6. Get 72. Then 12 into 7. 2 into 7. 14. Then we'll get 84. Okay. Then 84 equalize. Okay. Then 7 into 12. 84. Okay. Balance 0. The remainder 0. Okay. Then the quotient 137. 137. The quotient 137. Then remainder is 0.
Division by two-digit number 4016 divided by 15. Normal division 4016 then 15. Okay. How many times 15 in 4? No. Then 40. Okay. 40. How many times? Yes. 2 into 15, 13. Difference 10. Okay. Then 1, 101. How many times 15 in 101? 15 into 5. Get 75. No. Then 15 into 6. Get 90. Okay. Then 15 into 7. 105. No. Then use 15 into 5. No. Then 15 into 6. 90. Okay, that's correct. And 6. Use in 6. 6 into 15. 90. 90. Okay. Then the difference 11. Okay. Then 6. Okay. Then 15 into 7, 105. No, then 15 into Next question, find out 7 divided by 13. The normal division, find out 7 divided by 13. How many times 13 in 5? No. Then 50. How many times 13 in 50? 13 into 4 get 52. No. Then 13 into 3. We'll get 3 into 3, 39. Okay. Then 3 into 13, 39. 3 into 13, 39. Find the difference. 1. Then 1. Then 7. Okay, 7. 117. Okay, how many times 13 in 117? Okay, 13 into 8. Get 629 divided by 22. The normal division 629 divided by 22. How many times 22 in 6? No. Then 62. Okay. How many times 22 in 62? Okay, 22 into 4 will get 44, and then 22 into 3 will get 66. No, and then use 44. 2 into 22, 44. The difference 8. Then 1, 18. How many times 22 in 80? No, and 189. Then how many times 22 in 189? Okay, then 22 into 6 get 132. No, then 22 into 7 it gets 176. Oh.
The next question, the word problem. The total students for the camp is equal to 1026. Okay. The next line, number of students in each bus, 1550. Okay. Listen. Then 1026 divided by 50. Okay. Then therefore, so word problem. The number of bus needed. Okay. 1026 divided by 50. Clear? The normal division, 1026 divided by 50. How many times 15 in 10? No time. Then 1, no 2. How many times? 2. 2 into 50, 100. Then get 26. The remainder is 26. So the 0 is balanced. Then use in quotient place 20. Okay, 20 is the answer. Then more students, that's 26. Okay. So 20, how many bus needed? Already 20 bus, then 1 bus extra. So the reason 26 is extra students. Okay. Then 20 plus 26 is extra. Okay. Then plus 1 bus needed. Then 20 plus 1, 21. The number of bus needed, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay. Clear? 26 is a remainder, but less than 50, but 1 bus for needed.